Need to send money to someone in another European country? If you think international transfers are complicated and expensive, think again. Today, we're making a SEPA transfer with Intesa Sanpaolo Mobile, the easy and cheap way to send euros in Europe. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. A SEPA, Single Euro Payments Area, transfer is like a domestic bank transfer, but for the entire Eurozone. It uses the recipient's IBAN and is often low cost or even free, just like a national transfer. The process, just like a national transfer. In the Transfers section of the app, start a new transfer. You'll enter the recipient's IBAN, which starts with a country code like the FRS. The app will recognize it as a European IBAN. The key detail: choose SEPA as the type. Make sure the transfer type is set to SEPA transfer or EU transfer. This ensures it's processed correctly and benefits from the favorable SEPA conditions. The funds usually arrive within 1 business day. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: double-check the IBAN and BIC, SWIFT. For SEPA transfers, the recipient's name is also very important. While the IBAN is key, some banks may require the BIC code as well. Always ask the recipient for both to be safe. An error here can cause the transfer to be rejected. So, just like that, you're sending money across Europe with ease. A unified system goes a long way in breaking down financial borders. Now I'm curious, which European country do you send money to most often? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.